I hope the path that I hike will lead me to meet these same musicians who compose the soundtracks to my life, whose examples are using samples, coupled with the stanzas I write to break new ground like rappers delight. If I have to take flight, I hope you celebrate the message born through these measured poems when I'm gone, cause the lessons help prep my soul to reach a blessed goal as I'm stepping on stones until I rest upon the seventh upper echelon. Hey, hey, come on. Come on, y'all, we can dance to this.